everyone, today we will do legal dictation exercise number 67. You can get the PDF from description box. So ready? Start. The appointment to the post of deputy manager in the present case were obviously not made on the basis of direct recruitment, but the selection and appointment were made on the basis of promotion. The list of candidates called for selection was only for serving employees and no claim of any outsider was considered. It is evident from a bare reading of Rule 21 that no employee can claim promotion as a matter of right. It will depend on one's own suitability as on his relative standing with the others eligible for promotion. Rule 20 provides that promotion will be considered on the basis of suitability cum seniority in the grades or interlink grade between the grade for which the promotion are being considered, subject to fitness of the employee being certified by the head of department. A combined reading of Rule 20, 21 and 22 makes it abundantly clear that suitability of a candidate for promotion has to be compared with other eligible for promotion. It is not the case of the appellant that her case was not at all considered for promotion to the post of deputy manager. It is clear from the record that the claim of appellant for promotion was duly considered along with other eligible candidate, including respondent number 3 and 4, who were ultimately found eligible and suitable for promotion. The selection board, having assessed the ratings of each of the previous 3 years' annual performance appraisal and performance of the appellant in the interview, found her not suitable for promotion. The respondent number 3 and 4 had outstanding rating in their annual performance appraisal and were found suitable by the selection board. We cannot sit in appeal over the assessment made by the selection board and substitute our own opinion for that of the board. In the result, we find the decision to select and appoint respondent number 3 and 4 is not vitiated for any reason whatsoever. The post of deputy manager is an upper managerial post which, in terms of the existing recruitment and promotion rule, could be filled either by direct recruitment or by promotion. If the vacancy was to be filled by the way of promotion, promotion in such cases obviously means promotion on the basis of suitability cum seniority. The process of selection on the basis of suitability cum seniority is in accordance with the package of rules referred to herein above. It is not necessary in this case to restate and reiterate the difference between promotion based on seniority cum merit and merit cum seniority. The concept is different. In case of the former, greater emphasis is laid on seniority, though it is not the determinative factor, while in the latter, merit is the determinative factor. For the aforesaid reason, we concur with the view taken by the High Court that seniority alone was not the determinative criteria for promotion. Merit or comparative merit was also taken into consideration by the selection board, and the same is not contrary to law and guidelines. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel Steno Star.